Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Before we dive into the Walgreens preview, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app of all times, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Guys, if you're buying your groceries at Walmart or Meijer, you photograph a receipt, you get points towards gift cards. It's a super easy process. For new signups only, if you use my code linked in the notes, it's also there on the screen, and photograph your first receipt, pack of gum, or a taco you bought last week, you're given 2,000 points. Couple weeks ago, I was buying some Blue Diamond almonds over at Walgreens and I got $2. So everything and anything that you're buying will aggregate these points towards gift cards. Home Depot gift cards start around $5. If you're a homeowner or if you want some really cool cleaning stuff from TikTok, that is the place to buy it. And gift cards start at $5. If you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on 6,000 receipts. So start photographing today, use my code, and those gift cards will start rolling in really quickly. Quick little story for you guys. We did a lot of renovations to the curb appeal of our home. No, I'm not selling, but the house looked pretty, it needed some work. But every bag of stone costs a little bit of money, and when I could use a couple Fetch Rewards gift cards to pay for some of the stone, it didn't pay for the whole project, but $50 here and there. I was really grateful that I was photographing all of my grocery receipts for points, so we could really do this big renovation this summer around our home. And doesn't it look great? My husband did a fantastic job. So if you're interested, check out this app, link and notes in the notes, and don't forget to use my sign-up code. And also, if Home Depot and this sort of stuff is not your thing, if you're more food motivated, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, and Domino's gift cards also with this app. Check it out. Hey guys, so this is from July the 18th to the 24th, and on first glance of this ad, you might think, yeah, it's a slow week, but my goodness, it is going to be an amazing week just from what I've found so far. So if you might have been so lucky on Wednesday, these started popping up. Not every account gets them, and I got this one, which was $5 back when you spend $20 in Walgreens cash. It's valid from the 18th to the 24th, so it has to be that specific window. So the rules are, it is that specific window of the 18th to the 24th. You have to pay cash for the balance, and what that means is debit card, credit card, pennies, cash bills. Do not use your Walgreens cash or you will not earn it back. These are of a one-time use. And again, if you're going to use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards, you won't earn the promotion back. So do not use it. Pay cash for the balance, cash bills. Okay, first little deal we're going to look at is the Irish Spring, $3.99. There's going to be $1 digital, and I think also $1 coupon in this weekend's Smart Source. $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. So grabbing two of them for $7.98, subtracting the $1 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per body wash. If you have that extra coupon, it's 49 cents per. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this specific transaction, absolutely go for it. You can spend it to earn it because it is a buy transaction. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Colgate Optic White at $3 a piece. There's going to be a 50-cent digital. Hopefully we'll get something a little bit more generous. $5 register reward when you buy two. So grabbing two of them, that is $6 on the nose. Subtracting that 150 center, you're left with paying $5.50 out of pocket. If you might have the Smart Source from this weekend, throw in another 50 center. You'll pay $5 out of pocket and it'll make it free. But failing you only have the one digital, you'll pay $5.50. Get back that $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the two. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so on Sunday morning, we're going to get a $1.50 digital coupon that will apply to one of these All or Snuggle products. So it'll drop it down to $1.49. That is really cheap considering that these laundry products are usually like $5.99, $6.99, so grab one of them. Now, this is a really good deal, $4.95. When you purchase four of them, you get back a $6 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to need the following digitals. That is this $1 for the toilet paper and this $1 for the paper towel. And then also from the July P&G, there's a $2 for both the liquid Tide and the pod. So you'll need one of each. So grabbing four of them, that's $19.80. They're $4.95. So $4.95 times 4 is $19.80. Subtracting the two $2 coupons from the July P&G, along with the $2 digitals for the Charmin and the Bounty. Bounty, you're left with paying $13.80 out of pocket, getting back your $6 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.80 for the 4 or $1.95 for each. For Tide and Bounty and Charmin, that's fantastic. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay it down, if you're doing this deal on its own, go for it. Now, if you might not have the July P&G coupons, but you have one of these store coupons, let's look at this deal a different way. Grabbing one of each of those products, it's $19.80. Subtracting that $5 store register reward coupon along with the $1 digital for the Charmin and the Bounty, you're left with paying $12.80 out of pocket, getting back your $6 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.80 for the 4 or $1.70 per product. And in this specific scenario, if you would like to use your Walgreens cash to pay, you can spend it to earn it for this scenario. Okay, so let's talk about a Dove deal. It's on a BOGO 50% off and $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these guys. Now, there is going to be a BOGO free coupon when you buy both a men and a women's body wash in this weekend's savings insert. Now, if the cashier just scans it, the full amount of $6.49 will come off. If the cashier keys it in for the cost, probably the smaller one will come off. So just be mindful with that with the mathematics. If your store is super strict, this might not be a deal for you. Okay, so grabbing both a men and a women's on a BOGO 50% off, that's $11.23. Now, if the full amount of the coupon comes off, it's $6.49, and that's been my experience whenever they scan those coupons in the past. You would pay $4.74 out of pocket, get back your $2 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.74 for the 2 or $1.37 per body wash. Now, I have the sneakiest and weirdest suspicion that a 6 off of 2 digital for Dove body wash will show up in our Walgreens digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So we're going to have to double, triple check that. Usually when these high value savings coupons, they usually try to mirror one digitally. So we'll see. You know, sometimes I'm wrong about this stuff, but I think it might happen. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so for this next deal, we're going to grab a bag of the 5 ounce of these Airhead filled ropes. Go onto your IBOTTA account and make sure that you have the 75-cent rebate for this exact product. And then you're going to head over to the Shopkick app and double, triple check that you have this one as well. And it's 400 kicks back when you buy one of these products. And 400 kicks is basically like $1.60. And as you see, it says 5 to 6 ounce bags only. So that's one we're grabbing. So one of these Airhead bags, the 5 ouncer, is $2.29. And then you're going to make that 75-cent rebate to IBOTTA. And then one to Shopkick for 400, which is basically $1.60. It shakes this product out to free. Okay, let's talk about a candy bar deal. So these guys are exactly 88 cents on the nose, and we are talking about Snickers and Twix single serve candies. Okay, so we're going to load this guy, which is a 50 cent off of 2. We're grabbing either the Twix or the Snickers. So grabbing 2, either or, it's $1.76 at 88 cents a pop. Subtracting the 50 cent off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $1.26 for the 2 or 63 cents per candy bar. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down that $1.26, absolutely go for it. Okay, so now we have a little cookie deal. The Nabiscos are $2.99. Now, in the store on Sunday, you're going to have to do a little bit of research and see what your store has for this dealio. So we're going to need this 75 cent. It's a 75 cent off of 2. Load that one. And then if the Oreo NBA is there, grab 2 of those. Or the Nabisco, those cookies. The golden candy chip, that specific one. So, grabbing 2. So 2 of the Nabisco cookies, $5.98. Subtracting that 75 cent off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're paying $5.23 out of pocket, getting back $2 from IBOTTA, making it $3.23 for the 2 or $1.61 per bag. If you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. And I would absolutely double, triple check what's in your IBOTTA gallery and what is working on Sunday morning at your store, like what specific cookies. Okay, so these General Mills cereals are $1.88. So for this deal, we're going to be grabbing 2 boxes. Now we have this digital, which is $1 off 2. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. Over on your Fetch Rewards account, you're getting back 500 points, which is 50 cents for one of these General Mills cereals. So how wonderful is that? So grabbing 2 boxes of cereal, that's $3.76. Subtracting that dollar off to digital, you're left with paying $2.76 out of pocket, getting back 500 points from the Fetch Rewards app. Check your Discoveries page if you have this one. It makes it $2.26 for the 2 or $1.13 per box. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. Okay, so now we have a quick little deal. If you buy 3 of these items, you get back a $5 register reward. I'm pretty sure that's a store one. Let's grab 2 Tresemes and 1 Crest toothpaste. So adding all of that up, guys, that's $12.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital for the Tresemme and $1 for the Crest. After those digitals, you're paying $7.98 out of pocket, getting back your $5 store register reward. $2.98 for the 3 or 99 cents per product. If you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it and photograph that receipt. Tresemme is part of Fetch. You will get back extra points for that purchase of that shampoo. Okay, Angel Soft is $3.99. We're going to have 1 50-cent digital, $3 register reward when you buy 3 on these 9 rolls. And then if you might have one of these store coupons, say you do the Tresemme deal and then you happen to find one of these, let's use it for this deal, especially if you don't have any manufacturers other than digital coupons. Grabbing 3 of these Angel Softs, that's $11.97, subtracting the 1 50-cent digital that will be showing up on Sunday, along with that $5 store register reward. You're paying $6.47 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward. We're looking at $3.47 for the 3, and if you want to use a bit of Walgreens cash so you're not feeling this one out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. The Renewzic cones are 89 cents. There is a buy 4, get 2 for free. So basically shakes it out to 59 cents per cone. I would also recommend to double, triple check what's coming off. Usually I only get 89 cents to come off, which is really weird. But you might have to call customer service if you get the same amount so they can credit you the balance of 89 cents. Olay, spend $25, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I'm wondering if there might be a high value digital that shows up for this guy on Sunday morning. Fingers and toes crossed. The soda deal of buy 2, get 1 for free. If you're a big soda drinker, this might be something for you. Okay, so the canned tuna, that good stuff, a lot of it is 4 for $5, that price point. And the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand for these bags, they are buy 1, get 2 for free. So it shakes it out to about 93 cents per. All right, and back to school, lots of little steals and deals to go back to school in a very stylish and cheap manner. We have backpacks for $5, different school supplies for 49 cents. Every week leading right up till September, they're going to have something like really inexpensive. And then on the next page, there is 5 for 1 for highlighters and different folders and different school supplies. A lot of Crayola stuff for 99 cents. That's a good price. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.